All right, now let's build our Queue Constructor. So we're going to build one of these, but we're going to represent it like this. And in order to build this, the first thing we have to build is a node, which really looks like this, and the constructor looks like this. So this is the same node constructor that we used with linked lists, and the same one we used for stacks. Now let's start off our Queue class and start building the constructor. So the first thing we're going to do in the constructor is build a node like this. We'll pass that a value, and that creates our node. And then we'll say first and last are equal to the new node, like that. And the length is going to be 1. And that is all of the code for our constructor for our queue. In order to create a new queue, we would do something like this. My queue equals queue. We pass it the number 4. When we do this, it creates all of this. It not only creates the node, it creates first and last and a length of 1. So now let's go look at our constructors for the node and for creating a new queue in VS Code. So there is the node class here. Then I'm going to scroll up so we can zoom in. And this is where we create our queue class. And this is the constructor for the queue class that we just built. Then down here we have a print queue method, so we can see the contents of the queue. And this is where we create our new queue. We'll start this with the number 4, and then we'll use that print queue method down here to print that out, and we should get the number 4. Okay, so I'm going to run this, and that returns the number 4. All right, that is our queue constructor.